Good morning, students. Welcome back online classes. Myself Rajesh Yadav from NBGEI AVM School, Geetapura, Pune. Class 9, subject Civics, Chapter 3, Electoral Politics. Students, today I describe you some important term of this chapter as constituency, reserved constituency, nomination, and rigging. Students, as you have already read about the constituency, and today I will again describe you about the constituency. Students, listen carefully. A group of voters in a political area who elect a representative to a legislative body, that area is called constituency. निर्वाचन क्षेत्र. Listen once again. A group of voters in a specified area who elect a representative to a legislative body, that's called constituency. And now students, reserved constituency. Students, in both parliamentary and the state elections candidates of general category are not eligible to contest from these constituencies. All voters are to vote for one of the candidates from scheduled caste or scheduled tribe voter list. Listen this point once again. In both parliamentary and state assembly elections, candidates of general category are not eligible to contest from these constituencies. All voters are to vote for one of the candidate which is related to the scheduled caste or scheduled tribe voter list. And students, next point, nomination. Students, nomination is part of the process of selecting a candidate for either election to an office. Nomination is part of the process of selecting a candidate for the either election to an office or the bestowing of an honor or award. Students, a collection of nominees narrowed from the full list of candidates is a short list. And last one is rigging. Students, rigging, the act of dishonestly organizing or arranging the result of an election or competition before it happens. It is done to achieve a particular outcome, that is called rigging. Okay, that's all.